Here's a question from Nachiket. He asks, how much life insurance should one take? You know, we keep using the 10 times of your income as a ballpark figure, but sometimes that may not work, right? You may need much more than that.
Yeah, I think, see, 10 times, I mean, even if you take 10 times as a bare minimum, and by the way, in India, even 10 people don't have 10 times cover. In fact, Swiss Re is a reinsurance company. We did a research and survey about 3-4 years back, where they worked out the protection gap to be 92%, which is the largest in Asia. So the way the gap is worked out is they took 10 times of their annual income as the required amount of cover and deducted whatever savings or insurance they have. So the gap is worked out as the gap, as a protection gap, and that translates to 92% of what it should be. So basically, people are only covered to the extent of 8% of what they ought to cover, to be covered for. So such is a gap, and this, like I said, is the largest in the Asia. The gap is the largest in India, in Asia. So, so I think ideally, if you are at 25, you should allow for the fact that your income will keep growing. So you may be earning maybe 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs when you are on 20, 25. But you should allow for the fact that when you are 40, 45, you may well be earning well into the double digits. And if you get locked into a much higher level of cover when you are younger, the premium advantage will kick in through. So you'll pay over the entire term, you'll actually end up paying much lower if you get in much earlier.
So I don't need to go out there and buy myself a 1 crore, 2 crore policy at 25. I can keep topping up as Santosh.
So that is a facility only our product currently has in the market, I think. So where, where you can say that I want a cover to increase at a fixed rate every year of say 10%. So you can start the cover at say 50 lakhs when you're 20, 25, and then the cover can increase at a fixed rate every year of 10%. So that way, it will keep pace with your salary, income, etc.